These viral performance videos are going absolutely crazy right now. And the best part? This niche is still highly unsaturated, which means there's a huge opportunity for anyone who gets in early. And the videos you're watching right now, I created them in less than 5 minutes. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos like these. But here's a small warning. If you skip any part of this tutorial, then sorry in advance, but you probably won't be able to make these videos correctly, so make sure you watch until the very end. Alright, without wasting a single second, let's jump straight into it. First, head over to ChatGPT. Then go to the Explore GPT section in the left sidebar and search for Viral Stage. Click on this one, then hit Start Chat. Once it opens, you'll see two options. The first one says, Place yourself in the video, and the second one says, any character you want. I'm going with any character you want, so I simply click that option. As you can see, it loads up and asks which character you'd like to use. The cool thing is, you can get even more character options by typing more into the prompt box. But for now, I'm going with Goku, which is number 7. So I simply type 7 and hit send. Next, it asks you to choose Goku's Ninja Stage Show battle opponent. Alright, for now, I'm choosing Vegeta, so I simply type 1 into the prompt box and hit send. Then it generates the entire workflow for us, including 5 image prompts and 5 video prompts with sequence-based actions. Basically, a short action movie generated for you in seconds. Now, the very first step is to copy the first image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Choose Image Generation Mode, then select the number of outputs you want. I'm choosing 4. Now, this part is important. Make sure you select the 16:9 aspect ratio because we're creating content in a horizontal format. Then paste the image prompt and hit Generate. Give it a moment. And as you can see, our images are generated. And honestly, they look exactly how I expected. Absolutely mind-blowing. But we're not done yet. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Then head back to Google Flow AI and select the image you want to animate. Next, choose the Omni Flash video model, which gives us a full 10-second video duration. Now paste the video prompt and hit Generate. Wait about a minute, and there you go. Our video is generated. Now take a look at this. The animation looks incredible. The movement, the action, the cinematic feel, everything comes together surprisingly well. And here's the best part. You can create the remaining 4 videos using the exact same workflow. Just repeat the process, generate all 5 clips, merge them together in any editing software, and you're done. That's literally it. No complicated editing, no expensive tools, and definitely no spending hours trying to figure everything out. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to subscribe because on this channel, you'll find fresh, new viral niches before everyone else starts talking about them. And let me know in the comments if you'd like me to cover the next viral niche. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.